Hey everyone, I'm Angie, and you know what? Frosting and icing suck. There, I said it. Look, I know that I'm not the only one who feels this way about frosting and icing. I just find that they're both too sweet, too dense, too waxy. And most of the time, there's just too much of it. The cake to frosting and icing ratio is like 1-to-1, and that just doesn't make any sense to me. So I'm going to teach you how to make stabilized whipped cream that you can frost your cakes and cupcakes with. Stabilized whipped cream is lighter, it's less sweet, and in my opinion, they complement cakes better. Before we get started, we're going to put a stainless steel? Okay. Before we get started, put a stainless steel bowl and your whisk in the freezer. The reason why we use a stainless steel bowl is that when chilled, it stays cold longer. And cream whips much better when it's kept cold. That's why we put it in the freezer. This is especially useful in the summertime.
Now that it's been 30 minutes, take the bowl and whisk out of the freezer and also the heavy cream out of the fridge. Combine the heavy cream and 1 package of pudding mix. There's a huge selection of flavors, but I chose French vanilla because I feel like it complements cakes well. Start your electric mixer on low. We want to get those tiny little air bubbles in the cream. Then slowly work your way up to medium speed. Once it starts foaming, add in a dash of vanilla extract and as much or as little of powdered sugar as you want. I usually start with 2 tablespoons and see where I'm at with the sweetness. Keep mixing the cream on medium speed and it will gradually thicken. When the cream forms a stiff peak like this, you'll know it's done. Cover and put in the fridge until you're ready to frost. It's best served the same day, but it'll last 2 to 3 days in the fridge.
And there you have it. So it's still soft and pliable, so you can pipe it, you can frost cakes and cupcakes with it, and it's really, really delicious. And simple. Follow and subscribe if you want to be notified of future videos. Thank you for watching.